We start this welcome event with the Barcelona School of Economics opening lecture for the 2023-24 academic year, delivered by Mar Reguant. Some of you may already met Mar because she directs one of our programs. Mar is one of the most recognized researchers in the field of economics of energy. Mar has also dedicated part of her time to offer guidance on energy and environmental policies.
I'll basically talk about two research projects that I have that are looking at the impact of renewables in Spain and Chile. So the electricity sector is considered to be a major sector to fight climate change because it's the one that we actually know how to decarbonize, because we have technologies now that have become cheaper and cheaper. Today you will see a bit of a toolbox of how economics can be helpful at providing detailed methodological kind of analysis of the cost benefits of these technologies.
Thank you very much for your presentation. I guess one thing that I would be really interested to hear about, you obviously have your academic work and then your work with policymakers. What kind of evidence really cuts through to the policymakers?
Yeah, it's very difficult, to be honest. So when I'm an academic, I'm very prudent on how I make my statements. But if you are that prudent in front of a policymaker, they will not listen to you. So I hope I got you excited about renewable power. It's a very active area of research. So I'm around, and I hope we will continue talking about these big issues going forward. Thank you again.
Today at the Bellaterra campus, you will have the opportunity to watch something awesome. The castells, that are human towers. This is a dear Catalan tradition, quite spectacular. The castells work as a team to achieve amazing results. It goes along with the BSE spirit.
My sister actually was going up in the castells back in the day. She said that even though she was afraid of heights, she was not afraid of heights when she was standing on the shoulders of her friends. So that's what you should remember. Yes.